Lowest price guarantee. Show us a better price and we will beat it by 10%. This course fulfills the Florida Advanced Building Code requirement for continued education for professional engineers and emphasizes public safety, health, and well-being. Complete the course and download your certificate. Explore Florida's building codes with our online course, Advanced Building Code in Florida. Designed for engineers, it covers the latest standards and regulations impacting the state's construction industry. 1. Hurricane-resistant structures. 2. Flood mitigation. 3. Energy-efficient designs. 4. Real-world scenarios and case studies. This course is ideal for 1. Engineers wanting to deepen their local compliance knowledge. 2. Professionals looking to update their skills. 3. Anyone seeking certification in Florida-specific standards upon completion, you will be able to 1. Apply Florida Building Code FBC rules. 2. Assess designs for FBC compliance. 3. Implement safety and energy efficiency practices. 4. Navigate the permit and inspection process. 5. Recognize roles and responsibilities in building compliance. 6. Differentiate code approaches and apply guidelines to systems like fire protection and HVAC. 7. Stay current with FBC updates. Enroll today and enhance your expertise in Florida's construction sector.